Hi guys, my name is Sai Kalyan. Today my topic is distributed objects. Distributed objects are objects that are distributed across different address spaces, either in different processes on the same computer or even in multiple computers connected via a network, but which work together by sharing data and invoking methods. This is often involves location transparency where remote objects appear the same as local objects. The main method of distributed object communication is with remote method invocation. One object sends a message to another object in a remote machine or process to perform some task. The results are sent back to the calling object. Communication between distributed objects are done using stub and skeleton. Stub and skeleton are interfaces whose structure and behavior depends on chosen communication protocol. In RMI, a stub is defined by the programmer as an interface. The skeleton is defined in a class which was implemented by the stub interface. The distributed application consists of two parts, a client part and a server part. A typical server part of such an application defines several distributed objects and allows clients to request them by obtaining references to them. And lifecycle creation, migration, and deletion of distributed objects is different from local objects. Reference remote reference to distributed objects are more complex than simple pointers to memory address. Request latency, a distributed object request is order of magnitude slower than local method invocation. Object activation, distributed objects may not always be available to serve an object request at any point in time. Parallelism, distributed objects may be executed in parallel. Communication, there are different communication primitives available for distributed object request. Failure, distributed objects have far more points of failure than typical local objects. Security, distribution makes them vulnerable to attack.